Shri Konthoujam Govindas Singh. I,
Konthoujam Govindas Singh, do swear in the name of God that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the Constitution of India as by law established, that I will uphold the sovereignty and the integrity of India, that I will faithfully and conscientiously discharge my duties as a minister for the state of Manipur, and that I will do right to all the manner of people in accordance with the Constitution and the law without fear or favor, affection or ill will.
I,
Konthoujam Govindas Singh, do swear in the name of God that I will not directly or indirectly communicate or reveal to any person or persons any matter which shall be brought under my consideration or shall become known to me as a minister for the state of Manipur, except as may be required for the due discharge of my duties as such minister.